So here I have my photos. I've labeled my folder DC Trip. Next, open up Lightroom. When in Lightroom, we have to import our photos, so click on Import. Select the location. For me, it's on the hard drive. I've got to go to my username, desktop, and choose DC Trip. The photos will appear here. I want to select all photos. Click on Import. Once the photos are in Lightroom, I need to go through and choose the best ones. I can't see this very well, so I'm going to click on this box here. That will enlarge the photos. Then I'm going to use my keyboard to go from photo to photo, selecting which ones I think are best. If I see one that I really like, I will put a flag on it. If I hover over this flag, it will say flag as a pick, and then in parentheses it has the letter P. If I want to just pick a bunch of photographs really quickly, I can press the letter P when I'm over a photo that I like. Let's say I selected these 3 photographs that I like. Then I can filter to just look at my picked photographs. So I click on the filter down here, choose flagged, then only my picked photographs will show up. Once I have picked my photographs, I need to develop them or alter them so that it will look really good. So you click on the Develop tab. I usually click on Auto. I also like to crop my photos. In this case, I'm going to move it slightly. Press Enter. If I like my crops, I'm done. Let's pretend I want to do the exact same edits to multiple photographs. All I have to do is select those photographs. I click on it, hold the Shift button. Then on the right hand side, I'll click Sync. Choose what areas I want to sync from one to the other. I will select pretty much everything except for crop. Press Synchronize, and then it will do the exact same edits to the next photos. Let's say I want to compare and contrast what I just did to one photo. If you select the photo and click on this here, it will show side by side the different views. You can also change how you view from top to bottom, left to right, and so on. For me, I prefer to do before and after. Let's say we're done editing all of our photographs that we want to keep. If we're all done, we'll click on File, Export, and then we have options when we are exporting. I'm going to choose to export to my desktop. I'll put this in a folder called DC Photo Essay. Next, I'm going to name them. Now I could just do the original file numbers, but I'm going to do a custom name. The text for the file will be Photo Essay. It will number my photos from beginning to end, Photo Essay 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. There's a video option, we won't be using that. File settings, we'll leave it as JPEG, and we'll still leave it as pretty good quality. You can change the size and dimensions. The other thing we'll be using is a watermark. So we'll choose the watermark we want. If you wanted, you could create a custom watermark where you can put the name of whatever you want on the watermark. You could have it be large, small. You can have it fit the page, fill the page. I'll just keep it proportional. I can choose where on the page I want it. If I want it in the center, top left, bottom left. Then I can inset it so it's far further over. You might do this if you were going to add a matte afterwards. Click on Save. You can name the watermark. Click Create. And that will add a watermark when saving this. Now, I had only selected one image, so when I export this, it will export only one file within that folder. I'll minimize this. Here's the folder I just created. If I double click it, you'll see the photograph that I edited within Lightroom. In most cases, you will select multiple photographs by clicking, holding down Shift, then go to, and then repeat that same process. File, export.
Choose the location, choose the name. Since I already have a folder named DC Photo SA, I'm going to name this one DC Photo SA2. We'll do the same numbering system. Choose the large quality. Same watermark. Click export. The more files you have, the longer it will take to export. And here we have the photos in Photo SA.
And you'll notice that each of these photos has my watermark on top of them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps with your Lightroom endeavors.